Hi, Jerry, how are you?
Hello, Kishan. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. How are you?
Fine, thank you. And you?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Let's do it. Okay, let's do it. So tell me, please, can you introduce yourself? What is your name and what do you do for living professionally?
Yeah, this is Kishan Dobaryia from India. So I'm working is the last 4.5 years on IT industry as a blockchain development, custom software development, and also work on last 2 years Facebook ads and Meta and or Meta ads on some various clients. So yeah, I work on as a sales development representative as well as an entrepreneur.
Thank you very much for your introduction. My name is Jiří Borč. I am broadcasting from the Czech Republic. This is a podcast, business podcast, and with Kishan we are doing second volume. So please go to my channel, check out the first volume, which was about meta ads. And today, what are we going to speak about today, Kishan? I believe. Tell me.
Yeah, second podcast. So as represent as a custom software development.
And let's get straight down to it. Maybe I will ask the first question. What inspired you to dive into custom software development?
I was inspired by the potentials, okay, to solve the unique problems for businesses, for various businesses, and through solutions unlike of to self software and custom development allows to creative innovations and ability, okay, to address the specific needs. So what's your needs of your customer? So how to design the custom software development, okay, implementing the empowering the business to generate to operate more efficiently, okay. So I inspire from various customer from clients from custom software development.
Mhm, mhm. Yes,
Yeah,
it's great. Thank you. The
yeah.
question number two. Can you describe the process for understanding client needs before starting the project?
Yeah, it's good questions. Okay, so the process of starting with the detail. Okay, so first of all, your detail discover phase. Okay, so how your phase your custom software. Okay, so we engage with discussing with the stakeholders. Okay, so conduct the needs of assessments and analyze the existing process. Okay, so from there we create detailed requirement. First is a must understand for detailed requirement, documentations, wireframes, and prototype to ensure alignment with the client vision. What's your client vision of the custom software development? So you're in your projects.
I understand. Thank you. Perfect. Number three. What are the biggest challenges in custom software development and how can you overcome them?
Yeah, is the biggest challenges for custom development industry is the including managing the changing the client requirement. Okay, is the big big challenge in the custom software development because ensuring the timely delivery, okay, balancing budget consultancies. To overcome this we use the agile. Okay, so I am using the agile methodology. So my customer projects, okay, so maintain the open communications with the clients, break the projects into manageable phases with the regular milestones.
Mhm, mhm, mhm.
Yeah.
Perfect. Perfect. How do you balance technical feasibility with clients' vision in for their software?
Basically, we focus on the collaborations. Okay, so by educating the clients about technical constraint and providing the alternatives, we ensure their visions to honorable while staying with the technically and budgetary limits. Okay, so regularly feedback loops helps us adjust and need without losing sight of the goal.
Mhm, mhm, mhm. Now we are approaching the fifth question. Can you share
Yeah.
an example of a custom software project that had significant impact on client business? And if you want, you can also share the screen, but it's not necessary.
Okay. uh One of my last 1 year, one of my clients from industrial logistics and transportations. Okay, so one of my clients is a great example which I share with you. Okay, so one of my clients is logistics, so he needed the solutions to optimize the route planning. Okay, so source to destinations. Okay, their requirement is source to destination, solve the problem for logistic industry. Okay, so we develop the custom software development for their client, use the real life traffic data, okay, real life traffic data and machine learning to recommended efficiency routes, okay, to help from machine learning ML to you help to efficiency routes, okay, they reduce the fuel cost, okay, so he help the machine learning industry to help the reduce the cost of fuel by 30%. Okay, after customers solve the problems for logistics, it costs reduced by 30% and improve delivery times and significantly. Okay, so before is complicated for the client is not is very complicated to handle the logistics and supply. So these clients of requirement for me, and I solve this problem for these two problems. So reduce the cost of fuel of truck and reduce the delivery charges on all that after customs office development.
Mhm, mhm. Thank you, Kishan. I would
Yeah,
like to say that if you have any question for Kishan, please write down under this video. Kishan will reply every question. And thank you for listening to us. Yes, I
and
apologize for technical problems. Everything is fine. We are back on the track and we are continuing second half of our podcast with Kishan Dobaryia. Thank you. My name is Yuri Borch. We are on track and we are next question number 6. What
yeah.
technologies or frameworks do you favor for custom software development?
Okay, we use the many technology as per client projects, as per client requirements. Okay, so for backend, we often for I use the backend technology for Node.js, Python, and Java for scalability. Okay, so for front end side, so we use the React.js, Angular to great for dynamic user interface. Okay, for example, mobiles, we favor use of mobile for Flutter technologies and React Native for cross-platform efficiency. Okay, these tools are able for scalable and develop for user friendly interface on that. So we use these technologies for front end and back end technologies.
Mhm, mhm. Thank you very much. How do you ensure security and scalability?
Okay, we implement the robust security. Okay, so we use the robust security for protocol like data encryption, secure APIs. Okay, and regular code to audit. Okay, so client code. Okay, for scalability we use the cloud platform based solutions so designed for system with the it's like modular architecture and ensure that we can handle the growth in input redesigns. Okay, so we use the scalability for we use the cloud based solutions so ensure the security purpose all that.
Perfect, perfect. What advice would you give to businesses or companies considering investing in your services?
Okay, so first of all, invest in custom softwares. Okay, only if you have any specific needs that of to the self solutions and cannot address, and clarify define your goals, involve the key stakeholders, choose a development partner with the proven track records, and focus on long term value for rather than just upfront of cost. Okay, so yeah, you answer that.
Thank you. What advice would you give to handle updates and maintenance after the project is completed?
Generally we offer from clients a post loan support plan. Okay, so which include the regular updates, performance monitoring, and bug fixings. Okay, so we also stay proactive in suggesting the improvement based on the new technologies. Okay, we suggest for my clients go for new technologies, your software. Okay, or challenge or changing the business needs to ensure the software remain effectively. Okay, so as my clients, so I prefer for my clients, so go with new trends and new technologies of your custom software.
Mhm, mhm, mhm. And the last question, what trends and innovations are you most excited about in the development space?
Yeah, I am excited for new technologies. So right now is a booming for technologies, say AI and machine learning. So I am excited about growing role of machine learning and artificial intelligence for automations in the software development. Okay, because low code platform are making development is more accessible, and while blockchain is opening for new opportunities for everyone and for secure and transparent system. Blockchain is opening for new opportunity and secure and transportation system. So always for new technologies, I prefer for.
Mhm, mhm. And finally, if you could give one piece of advice for entrepreneurs regarding custom software, what would it be?
Uh, can you repeat question once again?
Yeah, advice for us. What advice would you give? Like
Okay.
a closing message, some final message for us. Take away.
Uh, for clients, okay. So I prefer for suggestion for clients. So if anyone clients develop your own custom software development, okay. So go for new technologies. Okay, go for new technologies because security and blockchain, many clients integrating custom sort of software development with blockchain technology because it's security and transparent accessibility. Okay, so I prefer and suggest for custom software development, go for new technologies and new trends.
Mhm, mhm. Thank you very much,
Yeah.
Kishan.
Yeah.
Where can we contact you? What is the best way how to contact you?
Yeah, for sure. Any help or any help for me, 24 by 7 anytime. Okay, so is my LinkedIn profile is also okay. So yeah, reach out for LinkedIn is best platform for me.
Perfect. Thank you very much, Kishan
Yeah,
Dobaryia, our
yeah.